Today I don't have mood and plans to fix BMW, but my E60 decides that I have. So while driving, I receive all these messages about failed rear left bulbs, and I already know what happened there, and I know how to fix it. And this video will be not just bulb replacement. So let's go back to trunk and I will show you what happens there. So here I need to remove this carpet. Here I have one clip, one more here, but I already removed them. Here they are. Next, just pull this out. And here it is. And we can see that one pin is cooked. If you watch behind, you can see that brown cable is coming to this terminal number 8, and it's brown because it's ground. And ground for all bulbs is 1, and it's not enough. From time and vibration contact between terminals loosen, and it can burn like this. Here on this board we also can see that contact is also burned. I already have parts to fix this problem. Let me show you what we have here. All part numbers I will leave in description. This is new board from BMW. So this is a new upgraded board from BMW. The only one I need to remove old bulbs and put them on new board. It have new design with one more ground, which I need to put to terminal on car. So BMW find out that this problem is common on E60. I also met them on pre-LCI cars. So this is the solution from BMW. Also I need new terminals and new socket. New socket is also have new design. So main job here is to remove all terminals from old socket, put them to new, and also change this burned terminal. For this job I need some tool. This is just Chinese pin remover. I think every one of you already have it, and this one is crimper for new terminals. Old and new socket is actually the same, it's just have different color. I will remove pin one by one and put them back. So I already removed few terminals, and now I'm ready to show you how to remove them. So this is new terminal. It has one lock here and another lock from this side. And inside socket this plastic clip hold it. I start from removing fully this plastic clip, because I will not reuse this socket in some other car. I just broke it like this. Then I take 2 pin removers like this, put this one from one side and another one here. Like this, and then I can pull wire from behind and it's out. And to put it inside new one, I will take same terminal remover and lift this metal back just a little. And then just slide it inside new socket. And it's done. And the last one is this cooked ground terminal. Here I will cut all terminal as close as it possible, so length of the cable will be same. Clean isolation like this, and put new terminal. So I put terminal to crimping tool, like this, and then put wire inside. And there is result. Of course it's not factory one, but I think it's pretty good. Now I slide it to new socket, and socket is done. So bulbs I will use old one, because almost all of them is originally from factory, and I think they still have good quality. And even if it fails, it's not big deal to change them. So, and this extra ground I should put right here. Okay, it was not comfortable with one hand, and here is the result. This one is my new ground. And next I just put this board back, lock it with clip, and put socket back. So here is the result. Everything is okay. Now test. I put key inside, ignition on. And everything is back to work. Also on this right side, all this job was done before, and as I find out in documents, the job was done by official dealer while the car was on warranty, and it's made the same. New socket, new board with extra ground. So in the end I wanted to say that it's important to fix this problem properly, because in my case it was just burnt terminal and socket, but on internet I met some cases when a whole tail light burned. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you.